1, 2, 3 game.
Yahoo! Sobra po akong sobra kaming na happy dito sa Lovers in Paris, yung cast namin and yung crew. Lahat kami sobrang nagpapasalamat. Super thank you for sending us such wonderful goodies today. All of the food na pinadala ninyo, nabusog kaming lahat and sobrang surprise. Naamoy ko pala yung pagkain. Akala ko kasi kumain sa labas ng mga cookie bergs. Yun pala, may daladalang pizza. And then may mga cake for Direk, for Zandro, for Piolo.
Yung reviews.
And the reviews. Ang daming gifts today na feeling ko Pasko na. Birthday ko pa. Tapos parang New Year. Lahat na ng celebration throughout the year. Anyway, super thank you. We really appreciate it. And again, I was so surprised. I'm so blessed to have you guys. Ito, meron akong list para wala akong makalimutan. Thank you, Sherry. Kulit ko, Lulu. Yaz, Pinay, John Rosis, Colleen, Pinky, Cinch, Cleo, Majal Qatar, and the Knights. Happy birthday! Also, ay hindi na pala yun. Hindi na pala yun. Happy birthday sa lahat ng may birthday nitong month ng ito. Anyway, thank you guys. I love you so much. Birthday pala nung namin, production designer namin. Kaya parang celebration na rin